Good morning, students. Now we are going to start chapter 8. You know that organisms need food, water, and oxygen for their survival. These substances are transported to various parts of the body. The waste that are produced by the organism are removed from the body. These waste are transported and collected in an area from where they are removed. So, the chapter name is Transportation in Plant and Animals. So, firstly, what is transportations? Transportations is the process of movement of substances from one location to another parts in an organism is known as transportations. So, transportation is a life process where substances synthesized or absorbed in one parts of the body are carried to other parts of the body. You know there are two types of organisms, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. But transportations is different in different organisms. Transportations in unicellular organisms is happen through diffusion and osmosis. Gases move in and out of the cell by diffusion and other substances move by osmosis. So what is diffusion? Random motion of particles in order to attain equilibrium of concentration is called diffusion. For example, the aroma of food comes from the kitchen because of diffusion. A pleasant smell of flowers comes because of diffusion. Bad odor of garbage comes because of diffusion. So, diffusion is the random motion of particles from high concentration to low concentrations. And osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane from higher water concentration to low water concentrations is called osmosis. Osmosis is a type of diffusion. Cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. Substances move across the cell membrane because of osmosis. If there is concentration difference, then the process of osmosis takes place. When you dip seeds in water, seeds swell up because it soaks the water because of osmosis. But in multicellular organisms, the transportations of the substances is different because multicellular organisms are the complex organisms. So different parts of the body perform different function in multicellular organisms. So the process of transportations is also different. In multicellular organisms need a transportation system for oxygen and water because their body is complex and transport oxygen and other minerals cannot be done by diffusion or osmosis or transport oxygen by high pressure to low pressure. Therefore, in multicellular organisms there is a need of transport system that transport oxygen and other minerals in multicellular organisms. Large multicellular organism cannot rely on diffusion alone to supply their cells with substances such as food and oxygen. and to remove waste products. So large multicellular organism require specialized transport system for the movement of the substances from one part to the others. Now transportation in plants. In plants, water and minerals from the soil are taken up by the roots and distributed to leaves and other parts of the plants. Similarly, food prepared by the leaves is distributed to other parts of the plant. So, in plants, the transportations of water minerals from the roots to the different parts of the plants. So, the food is prepared by leaves sent to other parts of the plant. Water and minerals from roots sent to other parts of the plant. Carbon dioxide from atmosphere absorbed by the leaves for photosynthesis. Oxygen from atmosphere absorbed by all parts of the plants for respirations. So transportation in plant is also differ than the other organisms.